Today is the first day of the meditation retreat and during the water festival, New Year's 2025. So I will briefly explain how to find the Amata Dhamma, non-dying Dhamma, Maukha Dhamma, the Dhamma of liberation, showing the example of Upadesas and Kolita, Venerable Sariputtras and Moggalanas to be. You know, Upadesas and Kolita, Venerable Sariputta and Mahamoggallana to be. They fulfill the 10 paramis for 1 century and 100,000 world cycles. Finally, they became a human being in Upadesa village and Kolita village nearby Rajagaha city. During these times, Giri Samaja top mountain festival is very famous in Rajagaha city. Upadesa and Kolita, they are very good friends since young. They also went to this top mountain festivals to enjoy like the other persons. When they watch the entertainment show, when they listen to the singer music in this entertainment show, they also like the other person. Before having the feeling of religious emotion, you know, the samvega, the sense of urgencies. But one day, when they were watching the entertainment show, when they were listening to the music in this festival, both of them were reflecting on the death. You know, there are a lot of people in this festival who are singing, who are dancing, who are also watching their dances and who are also listening to their music. They were dying within 100 years. Nobody can go beyond 100 years. Is it? Everybody must die within 100 years. So there's no essence in human life. We should find the essence of human life. What is the essence? Amata Dhamma, non-dying Dhamma. Mokkha Dhamma, the Dhamma of liberation. Liberated Dhamma. So they disclosed each other and they also agreed each other. We will find Amata Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma before that moment. Then when we find Amata Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma, it is better to find the Dhamma as ordained person compared to lay person. Lay persons are very busy with their business, their duties for their children, is it? Their duties to take care of the house, many things. But ordained persons, if they really wish to find the Mokkha Dhamma, it is the best. Ordained life is the best. No children, no wife, no husband. Is it? No duty, only duty for practicing meditation. That is why they agreed each other and they ordained under Sanjaya Belata Buddha. That means Paribhajaka, Babajita ordained in others' religions. Because during these times, the Buddha didn't appear in the world yet. They learned the Sanjaya's teachings within a few days, as they are very knowledgeable. But they found no essence in Zenjia's teaching. That is why they decided to find the Amada Dhamma, Mokha Dhamma by going, here and there around the Rajagaha countries. During these times, the Buddha appeared in the world. The Buddha preached the first sermon, Dhammajaka Bodhana Sutta, to Pencha Wakiya, a group of 5 bhikkhu at the Migadawana monastery in Rajagaha city. At the end of the first sermon, Venerable Inyasi Kontinya, the eldest in Panchawakiya, realized Nibbana. He became a Sotapanna. He is the first person who penetrates the Four Noble Truths after the Buddha as a human being. But after listening to the Dhammacakka Bodhana Sutta, 180 millions Deva and Brahma penetrated the Four Noble Truths. They became enlightenment. So they are very sharp in knowledge. Although their enjoyment or sexual pleasure are better than human beings. But when they can listen to the Dhamma regarding the Four Noble Truths, they can penetrate the Four Noble Truths easily compared to the human being. Is it? Then later on, the Buddha continued to taught Anatta Lakkhana Suttas to the Panchavakkaya. They were also practicing meditation according to the Buddha's instruction. Finally, they became Arhanta. Later on, Yasa and his friends, together with his families, came to the Buddha, listens to the Dhamma and practice meditation. They also became Arhanta. So within the first vasa of the Buddha, there were 61 Arhanta in human worlds. Human world. 61 including the Buddha. At the end of the vasa, the Buddha encouraged all Arhantas to go around the world to teach the Dhammas to human beings and Deva, Brahma. Then, among the Panchavakkaya bhikkhu, the youngest one is Venerable Assaji Arhanta. Venerable Assaji Arhanta went to Rajagaha city to propagate the Buddha dispensation in this area. He entered into the Rajagaha cities for ants food. During this time, Venerable Sariputta to be Upadesa was also searching for the Mokha Dhamma in Rajagaha city. As soon as he saw Venerable Assaji Arhanta, he understood this bhikkhu must have Amata Dhamma, Nam Dhayen Dhamma. Mokha Dhamma, the Dhamma of liberation that we are seeking for. He can precisely make the decision. Is it? He can? He could make the decision precisely. That is why he approached Venerable Assaji Arhanta respectfully. Then he also asked some questions. Bhante, who is your teacher? What kinds of Dhamma your teacher is teaching? Etc. Then Venerable Assaji also answered brief answers to Upadesa monks from other religions. Then what is his answer? Ye Dhamma he dopa bhava desan he don tatagato aha desin jayo nirodo evam vadi mahasamano. one stanza regarding the Four Noble Truths. At the end or half of the stanza, listening to half of the stanza, Venerable Sariputta to be Upatesa, penetrate the Four Noble Truths. That means he realized Nibbana with the Sotapatti, Mega and Phala Jnana. He became a Sotapanna, strength, intra person, strength entry person. Then at the end of this stanza, then he found out Amrita Dhamma, non-Danyan Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma, the Dhamma or liberations. According to their agreement, then he also went to Kolita, Mahamoggallana to be. As soon as Kolita saw Upatesa, his good friend, he also understood. He already found out Amrita Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma. Then he also confessed. Then he also shared this Dhammas to his friend Kolita. Kolita was also listening to these stanzas recited by Upatesa. At the end of the stanza, he also became Sotapanna. Then they found out the Amrita Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma, according to their wishes. Here in this case, you should understand the factors or conditions. How many factors are needed to penetrate the Four Noble Truths? The first one, Saparisa Sansewa, association with good person. You know, Upatesa and Kolita associate with Sinjaya Bhelada Buddha, the head of other religions. Although they associate with the Sinjaya Bhelada Buddha to find Amrita Dhamma and Mokkha Dhamma, but they didn't find. Why? There is no Saparisa, good persons, who can penetrate the Four Noble Truths. Is it? But when they approach Venerable Assaji Arahanta, you know, they associate with good person. That is when they became Arahanta. They became Sotapanna. Number two, Sadhamma Savana, listening to the Dhamma or hearing the true Dhamma, learning the true Dhamma from good person, especially regarding the Four Noble Truths. Now you see, although they are learning many teachings from Sinjaya, they didn't realize Nibbana. But here, they listen to only one stanza regarding the Four Noble Truths from Venerable Assaji. They realize Nibbana. They penetrated the Four Noble Truths. They became a Sotapanna person. That is why number two factor is Sadhamma Savana, listening to the Dhamma, learning the Dhamma, hearing the true Dhamma from good persons. Number three, Yoniso Manasikara, proper attention, wise attention. Having proper attention or wise attention. You see, actually, during the Buddha times, even nowadays, when they meet each other from different religions, they get angry, they have jealousies and stinginess, etc. That is why they don't want to approach each other. Even they don't want to see each other, is it? But here, Upatesa, Venerable Mahamoggallana to be, saw Venerable Assaji Arahanta. He could decide precisely that must be a noble person. You know, there is also proper attention or wise attention, Yoniso Manasikara, right decision. Okay, right decision. He could make the right decision. That is why he approached Venerable Assaji Arahanta respectfully. Then he also requested to preach the Dhamma taught by the Buddha. When he preached the Dhamma, then he was also listening to the Dhamma respectfully, carefully, attentively. Okay? They can consider there is a yoniso manasikara, proper attention or wise attention. When he was listening to the Dhamma, sure, he can also understand anicca is anicca, dukkha is dukkha, anatta is anatta, asubha is asubha. That is also considered yoniso manasikara, wise attention. Then now number 4, Dhamma nu Dhamma patipatti. Practice the Dhamma in accordance with the Dhamma. In order to attain supramundane Dhamma, Lokottara Dhamma, they will have to practice 3 trainings, 7 stages of purification, and Noble Eightfold Path. Is it? While listening to the Dhamma, Venerable Sariputta to be Upadesa could practice 3 trainings to complete. 7 stages of purification, Noble Eightfold Path. Since he had fulfilled the 10 parami, since 1 essential and 100,000 world cycle. Then at the end of the half of the stanza, then he could penetrate. He became Sotapanna. Is it? Then he fulfilled the 4 conditions to complete. Then he also shared this Dhamma to Kolita, his prince. Then, listening to these stanza, then he also became Sotapanna. Both of them became a Sotapanna person. So to become a Sotapanna person, okay, here, when they are listening to the Dhamma, it is enough for them to fulfill, to practice the 3 training, 7 stages of purification, Noble Eightfold Path to complete. Why? They are Ogati Tenyu. Okay? Then, by listening to the short Dhamma, it is enough for them to penetrate the 4 noble truths. For some person, after listening to long discourse, they can penetrate the 4 noble truths. But for some person, it is not enough to penetrate the 4 noble truths. By listening to Dhamma, they will have to practice 3 trainings, etc. Practically, successfully, step by step, systematically. Finally, they can realize Nibbana. Such kinds of persons are called Neya person. But some, although they are practicing meditation, samatha and vipassana meditation, but they cannot be successful, they cannot attain Meghaphala, Nibbana in this present life. But it will be for parami, perfections, to realize Nibbana in the future. Such kinds of person is called Bada Brahma person. Okay? Then for Venerable Sariputta and Mahamoggallana, they are Ogati Tenyu person. That is why it is enough for them to realize Nibbana by listening to very short stanza. Don't compare to them. Okay? Then they also practice the 3 training, 7 stages of purification, Noble Eightfold Path, while listening to only 1 stanza. So at the end of the stanza, they became a Sotapanna. So if you wish to become Sotapanna, you will have to fulfill the 4 conditions to complete. They are Sappurisa Sansewa, association with good person. Sadhamma Savana, listening to the Dhamma, Yoniso Manasikara, having wise attention. Dhamma nu Dhamma patipatti, practicing meditation in accordance with the Dhamma. Then to be able to fulfill these 4 conditions, the first important thing is to have samvega, the sense of urgency, to be able to find Amata Dhamma, Mokkha Dhamma without stopping. Is it? So, Venerable Sariputta and Moggallana to be reflect on the death. Everybody must die within 100 years. Recollections of the death, Marana Nosati. So, to have the sense of urgency, you will have to reflect on the death. Yeah, repeat after me. You see? You see, many are dying because of many disasters, many problems in the world. Some because of war, some because of fire, because of water, because of earthquake, etc. Then you can pay attention to the dead person. Then you will also die one day like those kinds of person. You cannot avoid the death. Is it? By reflecting on this, you pay attention the dead person without life faculty in this person. Sometimes you also reflect on your dead body without life faculty there. Is it? Then you can recollect. Okay, repeat after me. Marana me duon, Jivitam me aduon. My death is certain. My life is uncertain. Number 2, Marana me bhavait. I shall certainly die. Number 3, Marana priyosana me jivitam. My life will end in death. Number 4, Marana. Death. You can reflect this Marana Nosati meditation again and again. Then you will feel sense of urgency. Even you can attain up to Upachara Samadhi SS concentration state. Especially if you have already practiced like Anapana meditation up to Jhana's concentration stage. Based on this concentration, you practice Marana Nosati meditation. Within one session or one day, you can attain up to SS concentration state. Then when you are reflecting on this, Kama Vachara Kusala, sensual sphere, wholesome consciousness are arising. Is it? Okay. Chaita and Chitasika are Nama. The Nama arise dependent on habits. There are 63 rupa in the heart door. Then you can contemplate Nama as Anicca, Dukkha, Anatta, pay attention, they are arising impression. Then after that, you can continue to contemplate Rupa, 63 Rupa in the heart door, pay attention, they are arising impression as Anicca, Dukkha, Anatta. Then that will be Vipassana. So if you have Samadhi concentration, it is easy to be Vipassana. If there's no Samadhi, no concentration, it is difficult to have Vipassana inside meditation. But now you can practice Samatha and Vipassana meditation together. Is it? Then finally you can realize Nibbana like Venerable Sariputta and Venerable Moggallana to be, then may be able to attain Nibbana as soon as possible. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Cái lái số lại ý chào. Idam me punya, asawa khaya, wahan hotu. Idam me punya, Nibbanasa, Pechayo, hotu. Mama punya bhagan, Sava Satana, Ajemi, Tesabe, Mesama, Punya Bhagan, Labandu, Sa